Turning a single acre of land into a $1 million farm might sound ambitious, but with the right strategies, innovation, and dedication, it's absolutely possible. Welcome to SMART-AGRI Hub, where today we'll unlock the secrets behind transforming a modest plot into a thriving, high-value agricultural enterprise. Whether you're a seasoned farmer, a hobbyist, or someone dreaming of rural success, these 10 proven ideas will help you maximize your acreage and profits. Let's begin by understanding the power of niche farming. On a small scale, mass production is rarely the answer. Instead, focus on high-value crops or products that aren't widely available in your region. Specialty produce, gourmet mushrooms, microgreens, and medicinal herbs are just a few options that can yield impressive returns per square foot. The key is to research your local market, identify gaps, and tailor your offerings to meet those needs. Idea number 1. Microgreens and baby vegetables. These are fast-growing, nutrient-rich crops that chefs, health enthusiasts, and grocery stores crave. With rapid harvest cycles, sometimes as short as 10 days, you can see profits quickly. Microgreens like arugula, radish, and pea shoots are packed with flavor and nutrition and can be grown on vertical racks to maximize your acre's output. By targeting local restaurants or farmers markets, you can build a loyal customer base and command premium prices. Idea number 2, gourmet mushrooms. Varieties such as oyster, shiitake, and lion's mane are in high demand, especially among health-conscious consumers and culinary professionals. Mushrooms require little space and thrive in controlled environments, making them perfect for small-scale operations. With the right infrastructure, think climate-controlled grow rooms or repurposed shipping containers, you can harvest several crops per year. Don't forget to market your mushrooms as fresh, organic, and locally grown, boosting their appeal. Idea number 3, medicinal and culinary herbs. Herbs like lavender, basil, rosemary, and mint are versatile, valued for both their flavor and health benefits. You can sell them fresh, dried, or as value-added products like essential oils, teas, and infused honey. Herbs require minimal care, are drought-tolerant, and attract pollinators, enhancing the biodiversity of your farm. Build relationships with herbalists, chefs, and natural food stores to create steady demand. Next, idea number 4. Specialty fruit orchards. Fruits such as blueberries, raspberries, goji berries, or even figs and pomegranates can yield high returns, especially when grown organically or using regenerative practices. These fruits command top dollar in local markets and can be processed into jams, preserves, or juices for even more profit. Consider layering crops, planting fruit trees alongside berry bushes or ground cover crops to maximize your land's productivity. Idea number 5, beekeeping and honey production. Bees play an essential role in pollination and can significantly enhance the yield of other crops on your acre. High-quality raw honey, beeswax products, and even bee pollen are sought after in health and gourmet circles. With careful management, a small apiary can become a lucrative business, especially if you develop unique flavors or infusions using herbs and flowers grown on your farm. Let's move to idea number 6, aquaponics and hydroponics. These soil-free growing methods allow you to cultivate vegetables, herbs, or even fish in a controlled, space-efficient environment. Aquaponics combines fish farming with hydroponic plant production, creating a closed-loop system that conserves water and nutrients. Hydroponics is ideal for leafy greens, tomatoes, and peppers, and can be scaled vertically to multiply your output. These systems are perfect for urban or peri-urban locations and are increasingly popular among eco-conscious consumers. Idea number 7, specialty poultry and eggs. Raising heritage breeds of chickens, ducks, or quail can set your farm apart. Customers are willing to pay premium prices for pastured organic eggs with deep golden yolks or for meat from rare breeds. You can also diversify with value-added products like pickled eggs, homemade pasta, or even poultry-based pet treats. Small-scale poultry farming is manageable and can integrate well with other farm enterprises. Idea number 8, cut flowers and floral arrangements. The local flower market is often overlooked, yet fresh, sustainably grown blooms are always in demand for weddings, events, and florists. Flowers like dahlias, peonies, sunflowers, and zinnias can be grown intensively and sold as bouquets, arrangements, or even as dried flowers. Floral farming allows for creative branding, seasonal subscription boxes, and direct-to-consumer sales, often at a substantial markup. Idea number 9, Agritourism and experiences. Invite visitors to your farm for pick your own produce, workshops, farm to table dinners, or seasonal events like pumpkin patches and lavender festivals. Agritourism not only generates direct revenue, but also builds a loyal fan base, boosts word of mouth marketing, and provides opportunities to sell your products on site. With careful planning, you can create memorable, educational experiences that set your farm apart. Finally, idea number 10, value-added products. The real magic happens when you transform raw ingredients into specialty goods. Think jams, jellies, salsas, artisanal cheeses, herbal teas, infused oils, or baked goods. These products carry a premium price and can be sold online, at farmers markets, or to local shops. Branding, packaging, and storytelling are vital. Share your farm's journey, your commitment to sustainability, and the care that goes into every product. Now that we've covered the top 10 ideas, let's talk strategy. Success starts with a business plan. Know your costs, potential profits, and target market. Diversify your offerings to reduce risk, and don't be afraid to start small, scaling up as you gain experience and confidence. Embrace technology. Social media, e-commerce platforms, and digital marketing can connect you with customers far beyond your local area. Sustainability is key. Use regenerative farming techniques, compost, and natural pest control to maintain soil health and reduce costs. Water conservation, renewable energy, and biodiversity are not just buzzwords, they're essential practices for the farm of the future. Networking matters too. Join local farming groups, attend workshops, and partner with chefs, food co-ops, or wellness influencers. Collaboration can open doors to new markets and opportunities you might not find on your own. Education is ongoing. Stay curious, keep learning, and don't be afraid to experiment with new crops, techniques, or business models. The most successful small acre farmers are agile, innovative, and always looking for that next great idea. Remember, turning 1 acre into $1 million farm isn't about working harder, it's about working smarter. Focus on high-value niches, build relationships, and create experiences and products that people can't find anywhere else. With passion, perseverance, and a willingness to adapt, you can transform your acre into a thriving, profitable, and sustainable enterprise. If you're ready to get started, choose 1 or 2 ideas that speak to you, research your market, and take action. Your journey to $1 million farm begins with a single step, a single seed, and a bold vision for the future. Thank you for joining us at Smart Agri Hub. If you found these ideas inspiring, share your thoughts or questions below. We'd love to hear about your farming dreams and help you turn them into reality.